Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. CPI data came more than expected and everything is on sale. You can see all indices are in the buy zone. Nasdaq is near second and third standard deviation. You will be a fool to not buy this. If you are missing out on this, watching this video, you will be missing out big time. This is where you want to be buying Nasdaq. You can see here any tech stock, S&P 500 near third standard deviation. Amazing buy here. This is Dow Jones, amazing by third standard deviation. This is very rare, and Russell is below all standard deviations. Even Bitcoin, you can see here in the buy range. Guys, this is like your lifetime opportunity. At least for this day, today, it's like a if you've been waiting to get in the market, this is where you want to be get in, guys. This is like super opportunity. Look at Tesla. Tesla down 6.34% in the green zone. And you can see this is where you want to be buying. I bought Tesla. I told my Discord channel group that I'll be buying Tesla. I give them a message and it's already up 1%. You can see easy trades here, guys. You can see oil. Oil is also going near buy zone. So again, guys, you want to buy this at market open. We'll be opening on a big gap down 1.1%. There were a few gaps they had to fill. SPY, we had a gap. They wanted to fill this green line. Triple Qs had a gap they wanted to fill. You can see here IWM had a gap. They're still a bit far away, so they will probably bring it down to fill that gap at 219. Dow Jones, probably the only one which did not have a gap. So anyhow, the point is buy, grab this opportunity. This is the group, Discord group, and I said, look, you can see yesterday I bought Royal Bank and I sold in profit. You can see sold in profit. I bought around 118.05 and I sold around 118.26. Tesla, I was buying around 328 and look where it is right now. It's already above 331, so already in profits, already about 1% profit, but probably it's going to go high, fill this gap. So anyhow, if you want to know more about this indicator, want to know these levels, you can join my channel and I will share this. I share this every hour and you can make a lot of money on this. All right, and let's go to now daily chart where we are cycle analysis. You can see we are looking for a cycle low, and the cycle low should be forming actually today, tomorrow, Thursday is the perfect day. And look what happened. We're getting a big drop down. This is the low you were expecting, guys. This could be the multi-week low and we could be getting ready for a nice rally from here. Okay, so you don't forget, don't skip this opportunity to buy. Nasdaq also, you can see all indices are going towards this buy zone. Actually, there were some gaps they had to fill. SPX had a gap. This green line, they are going below that. So, and this is perfectly working with the how my arrow is pointed. Nasdaq also had to fill this gap. It's already opening below that. You can see triple Qs already opening below gap, and it's gonna rally. They're gonna rally at the market open. You can see SPY, they're gonna rally at the market open. Dow Jones is also gonna be rallying. IWM is also gonna be rallying. Ideal IWM could go a little lower, and then they're gonna rally, guys. So very good opportunity, and it's up to you. If you miss it, you miss it. Bitcoin, you can see going back in this green area, this yellow box. The lower it goes, the better it is to buy, and coming very close to support zone. And if you buy here, it's going to bounce from here very nicely. Ethereum also, you can see it's a bit weaker. Ethereum, there are gaps. There's a gap around 2236. There's a gap around 3308. I don't know which way they want to go first. So let's see. It's all depends on Bitcoin. All right. Bitcoin getting a 7 counts buy signal here, and this is CME futures, so usually we get 7 8 and then bounce, so we'll see if we get a bounce, so keep that in mind. In case it fails, just remember there's a gap around 77k as well. Let's look at commodities. Oil, trying to reverse trend, still a lower high, and if it can bounce from here near this red line, which is 50 moving average, it can still bounce and start to fill that gap around 70. So keep that in mind. CNQ trying its best, but it's in front of this massive resistance, white line 20 moving average. Let's see if it can break out or not. XLE had a breakout above all moving averages. Suncore had a breakout, massive breakout above all moving averages, looking very bullish here. And let's look at other indices. Toronto Stock Exchange is consolidating here. Hang Seng Index, buy the dip. Look to buy all the dips you can get on this. Natural gas also getting a 8 count sell signal. So we could come lower to fill this gap around 3.32. then a bigger gap around 3.0. So be careful. Gold is, you can see 9 count sell signal. Day before yesterday, I was telling everybody, and now we are going down. Either we're going to go fill this gap or we'll do a sideways consolidation. Again, this will be a good opportunity to buy the dip on gold. Silver just consolidating. Copper also getting a 9 count sell signal, probably going to go lower from here. Sugar just very bullish. Right shoulder is formed. Now they're getting ready for a rally. Wheat going back to back test these blue lines. It really needs to hold. If it breaks down, then it's going to be very bearish. Corn by the dip. Dollar looking bullish. Look at this, guys. After inflation CPI data came higher, Feds are not gonna lower the rate. They're gonna keep it consistent, or they can even hike it. So dollar is booming, guys. This is what's happening. In terms of FANG stock, it's sale, guys. It's sale everywhere. Apple near 200 moving average. Let's look at bigger drop. CrowdStrike. This had a gap down, so gap up, and they're gonna fill that gap. Netflix still very high. The stocks which I do like is Amazon. Probably going to come back, fill this gap here around this first green line 221. Google looks very nice, probably entering this gap. So if for some reason we come around 177, that's going to be an awesome area to buy, in my opinion. Microsoft also a good buy, down 0.98%, and near very a lot of support here. You can see last time it came here, a lot of support. So Microsoft looking like a good buy. NVDA getting rejected yesterday from this red line, and there is a gap, remember, 118. So worst case, it could come all the way down, but I think it could bottom now and go higher. We'll see how things shape up. Apart from that, Shopify had earnings and looking nice yesterday. McDonald had earnings, gapping up to fill these top gaps. And all stocks are looking pretty healthy, actually, to be honest. I don't see anything really scary. It's MicroStrategy down 0.94%. Probably they're going to go fill this gap around 270 at some point. That will be a good area to buy. And Baba had an announcement on AI, some AI thing they're doing, and probably trying to fill this gap at 117 as well. We'll see how things shape up. VIX here is now going higher after CPI rate, and I think it should fail, come back down, in my opinion, based on cycle. But if they want to really keep it lower, then they could bring it all the way down. Just remember there are gaps here. There's a big gap here, which is still not filled on SPY. A bigger gap is here, but I will be buying just because my daily day trading chart is telling me all these indices are in a super buy zone. This is a sale of a lifetime. You don't want to be missing out on this, guys. Don't want to be missing out on this sale opportunity of a lifetime. So hopefully you will see this video and buy it right away. Good luck, and hit the like button. I forgot to say hit the like button, and I will talk to you later. Bye.